Every year, lakhs of students fill the form for the IBPS PO, SBI PO, RBI Grade B, but only small percentage finally get selected. The difference is not the intelligence, the difference is strategy. The difference is strategy. It's not about intelligence. What strategy you follow is important. What strategy you follow is important. If you are preparing for the IBPS PO 2026, today I will explain the complete roadmap from beginner level to final selection. If you follow this strategy seriously for the next few months, IBPS PO becomes absolutely possible. Hello everyone, welcome to the Supreme Banking classes. My name is Harish Barapatre, Managing Director and Faculty Supreme Banking classes, having 12 plus years of experience. I am here to guide you step by step banking exams like IBPS PO, IBPS Clerk, SBI PO, SBI Clerk, RBI Grade B, RBI Clerk and other banking and government services examinations. In this video, I will explain the exact syllabus, phase-wise preparation plan, subject strategy, mock test strategy and common mistakes student make. Which common mistakes students going to make in these examinations, I will completely explain in today's video. So don't left behind, watch the complete video till end. First of all, we will going to understand the exam structure, exam pattern. So IBPS PO has 3 stages. Number 1, preliminary exam. Number 2, main exam, and 3rd, interview. In these three stages, the exam will be conducted. What about prelims? What about preliminary exam? So in prelims, you have 3 sections. In prelims, you have 3 sections: quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability and English language. And total time is 60 minutes with sectional timing. What about sectional timing? Sectional timing means for quantitative you will get 20 minutes, for reasoning you will get 20 minutes and for English you will get 20 minutes. Total 60 minutes of sectional total timing and 20 minutes sectional timing. In these 20 minutes you have to solve each and every questions of that particular subject. Only those who clear prelims move to mains. You know who move to mains? Those who clear the prelims move to mains, which is more analytical and somewhat difficult also. Now, phase wise preparation strategy. Listen, phase 1 is concept building. In first 2 to 3 months, you have to focus on concept building. In concept building, you have to focus on fundamentals. Here, in the first subject, quantitative aptitude, focus on simplification, number series, quadratic equation and basic arithmetics. After that, you have to focus on data interpretation also, which is one of the most important sections in the quantitative aptitude subject. After that, arithmetic. Arithmetic means a total 12 to 13 topics are there in the arithmetic. Which are those? Percentage, time and work, time and distance, problem on trends, problem on edges, boats and streams, like that. Total 12 to 13 topics are there in the arithmetic. After that, you have to focus on reasoning. In reasoning, there are various topics: blood relation, direction sense, syllogism, inequality, coding, decoding, like that. Different topics are there. Puzzles and sitting arrangement is also important. Puzzles and sitting arrangement, which cover one of the biggest part in the reasoning section. You have to prepare these topics very seriously. After that, for English, the basic grammar tricks, reading comprehension, vocabulary and all the rest syllabus, non-grammatical syllabus section in which reading comprehension are there, close tests are there, है ना, various topics, word swapping are there. These are the common topics. After that, phase 2. Phase 2 is practice and speed building. This is your phase 2. You have to practice and you have to develop the speed. Okay, speed as well as accuracy is nothing but selection. Speed plus accuracy is nothing but your selection. So for speed and accuracy, you have to solve daily sectional quizzes, topic wise questions and previous year's papers. This is important, which you have to solve from the mocks. Mock tests are available in the market. Your target must be speed and accuracy. Bank exams are not about solving everything. You have not to solve everything in your paper. They are about solving the right question quickly. They are about to solve the right question quickly. Come to the phase number 3. Mock test mastery. In mock test, you have to ask yourself, which section is weak, where are you wasting time, and which topics give maximum marks. This is mock test mastery. This is the most important stage. Start taking full length mock test regularly. After every test, do detailed analysis. After every test, you have to do detailed analysis. Mock test analysis is where the real improvement happens. Now I am going to give you daily study plan. This is the example studying plan for you. You have to do 2 hours quantitative aptitude, 2 hours of reasoning, 1 hour of English and 1 hour of current affairs. This is must. 2 hours quantitative, 2 hours reasoning, 1 hour English and 1 hour current affairs. Total 6 hours you have to spend initially for your achievement, for your dream job. Consistency matters more than studying randomly. If you are consistent in your exams, if you are consistent in your preparation, then the results will come. If you are not consistent, you know what happens. Now I am going to tell you the biggest mistakes students make. What are the biggest mistakes? They studying without clear plan. They studying without a clear plan. This is the biggest mistake. Without a clear plan, we can't study. You have the clear plan with you and go according to that. Second one is avoiding mock test. Most of the student doesn't give mock test regularly, but you can't avoid this. This is important. This is the oxygen of your selection. And third one is ignoring weak subjects. Don't ignore these weak subjects. Remember your weak subjects and start focusing on that. Remember, success in banking exams is about balanced preparation. You have to do the balanced preparation if you want success. Thousands of students from average background clear the banking exams every year. So if you are dedicated, disciplined and follow the right strategy, your selection also possible. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start your preparation seriously from today. Want complete guidance, structured classes, mock test and doubt solving? Just join the Supreme Banking classes. Here, online and offline batches for IBPS PO, SBI PO and other banking exams are available. You can do it online or you can do it offline. If you are lives in Nagpur, then you can just come and join offline batches. And if it is not possible for you, then you can opt for the online classes. Both are equal. There is no any difference between our online and offline batches. Both are same. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends preparing for the banking examinations. Your banking selection journey starts today. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.